how to recall an email in Outlook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recall or unsend emails in Outlook. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, depending on the type of Outlook you have, it may look a little bit different, but I'm going to guide you through the steps as well as I can. If your Outlook currently looks like this and it's called New Outlook, you see this in the top right, or when you go to Help, you see Go to Classic Outlook. This is the newer look of Outlook, and honestly, I have not found a way to recall messages in the new Outlook. So what I recommend doing is just toggling this switch right here that says New Outlook to Classic, or you can even go to the Help in the top menu and select Go to Classic Outlook. Once you select that, it'll start loading the Classic Outlook. You'll have to give them some feedback, but you can just scroll down and select Skip Feedback. It'll then close Outlook and then reopen Classic Outlook. So from here, all we need to do is go to Send Items, find the email that we want to recall, double click it so that it opens it up in its own page. Then with the email open, select the three dots in the top right, go down to Actions and select Recall this message. Once you select it, you'll have two options. You can either delete unread copies of this message, so if the person hasn't read the message yet, it'll delete it, or you can delete this message and send a new one. So decide what you want to do and then select OK, and then it'll let you know you've successfully tried to recall your email in Outlook. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.